Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to turn off blend on Instagram. So in order to do this, first of all, open Instagram on your mobile phone. Now after opening Instagram on your mobile phone, you will see the feed page. Here you're going to simply scroll to the right of your screen and you're going to see all the chats you will have on your Instagram. Now simply open the chat where you have joined your blend. So you can see I have joined blend on this chat. You will see that Instagram shows posts shared by both you and the other person. This is what blend is all about. Inside the chat, tap the chat name at the top or the eye icon, info icon depending on your version of Instagram. This will bring the settings for that conversation. What you can also do is just click on the blend icon if it's available. So this is a blend icon just at the left of this call option. When you click on blend, your Instagram reels will start showing up for the blend. Now you'll have to simply click on the settings icon at the top right if you're in your blend, and here you'll have to just click on leave this blend. Now when you click on leave this blend, it will show an option saying reels suggested for you won't appear in the blend anymore, and reels you sent to the chat will no longer inform the blend. You can join the blend again anytime. So you can just click on the leave option here and this will instantly turn off blend for that specific chat. You can also click on remove all reels from your blends and the reels will be removed from your blend. So that is the simple way through which you can turn off blend on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.